عارف ليش انت هون؟
اي نعم.
ليه؟
بدي اشتكي على اهلي انه خلفوني.
This lockdown, as we are craving for good content, I always look forward to interviews where I could find any good movie recommendation. So, in an interview with Rajiv Masan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui highly recommended a Lebanese movie by the name Capernaum. It's a shame that the movie has not yet been explored or recommended by most of the big review channels. It's a criminally underrated, spectacular, and emotionally sweeping masterpiece. The film's plot can be summarized by this whole one scene.
عارف ليش انت هون؟
بدي اشتكي على اهلي
ليه؟
انه خلفوني.
Don't worry, it's not a spoiler. The film begins with this scene only. A 12-year-old refugee boy, Zain, living in the slums of Beirut, attempts to sue his parents for child neglect. What transpires him to take such a step is rest of the movie. फिल्म जैन के पर्सपेक्टिव से पूरी स्टोरी बताती है. यह आपको उसकी लाइफ के जर्नी पे ले जाएगी एंड बाकी के कैरेक्टर्स उसके लाइफ में बस जुड़ते जाएंगे एंड क्या इम्पैक्ट करेंगे. दिस मूवी अनडाउटेडली हैज़ द पावर टू शेक यू फ्रॉम विद इन. The film stars Syrian refugee child actor Zain al-Rafi as Zain al-Haz. He has a deep sadness within him throughout the movie which will keep you emotionally magnetized to him. I know many of you must be feeling skeptical that इमोशनल मूवी है, क्यों बेकार का मूड ख़राब करूँ, एक तो ऐसे ही इतना स्ट्रेस है. सी, देयर आर टू वेज दैट अ मूवी कैन इमोशनली मूव यू. First way is by using long emotional monologues where the character breaks down and opens up about what he is going through. So as an audience you can feel it for that moment. A good example is the end climax scene of Kal Ho Na Ho. The second way is by using accents instead of dialogues. You are not directly sympathizing with him. You imagine yourself in his place. Now whatever he goes through, you start feeling the same way.
So even if the character is not crying or shedding tears,
you still feel his emotions. This feeling, this emotion stays with you for a very long time. In this movie, the action or decision that the main character takes will stir emotions inside you. And don't worry about the language, it has a very minimal dialogues. 5 minutes into the movie and you will forget that you are watching a foreign language movie. Capernaum raises a lot of questions on the world we are living in, the pathetic condition of refugees, how they are exploited, and the daily life struggles. Well, these topics are also explored by various other movies, but the reason it stands out is because it doesn't represent everything as just black and white. Rather, focuses on the grey area of human nature. Every character in this movie has some role to play and fully adds to the storytelling. And all this was possible because of the lady sitting in the director's chair, Nadine Labaki. You will know of her brilliance when you will discover this character. Yes, this little cutie pie steals the movie. I can't imagine how did she direct the baby with such an ease. You are going to fall in love with them. The movie has a brilliant cast which takes it very close to reality with their natural acting, and the cinematography gives it a documentary type feel. The film will remind you of Oscar nominated Indian movie Salaam Bombay, directed by Meera Nair. क्या अब ये भी नहीं देखे हो?
ओ भाई मारो मुझे, मारो.
One of the finest movies made in India है भाई, देख लो. So this was my recommendation and analysis of the movie. You can catch the movie on Amazon Prime, and if you love it then share it with your friends and let me know in the comments below. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for weekly contents ahead.